In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse MCP servers and add them to Cursor. Before we dive in, here's the big picture. MCP servers are like plug-in style connectors that extend what your AI assistant can do inside Cursor. They can tap into external data sources, developer tools, or services to streamline your workflow. The goal today is simple. First, browse what's available, and second, install the ones you want by using Add to Cursor. Start by browsing the available MCP servers in the built-in gallery or marketplace where they're listed. Take a moment to scan through categories and use the search bar to narrow down to exactly what you need, whether that's documentation helpers, code analysis tools, or integrations with services you already use. As you browse, open each listing to read the description carefully. Look for what the server actually enables, the typical use cases, and any notes about capabilities or limitations. It's also helpful to check indicators like when it was last updated, and whether it mentions compatibility details that match your setup. If a server needs credentials or special configuration to unlock certain features, the listing will usually explain that, and you can plan for it. While you browse, compare alternatives with similar functions so you pick the one that best fits your workflow. A good rule of thumb is to prioritize servers that solve a specific task you do often, and keep your environment lean by skipping tools you won't actively use. Once you've found a server you want, click Add to Cursor to install it directly. That button is designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Cursor will handle the setup process behind the scenes, and you may briefly see a progress indicator while it completes. If the listing mentions any special requirements, keep those in mind for later use, but you don't need to do anything else at this moment. After the installation finishes, the new capability becomes part of your AI experience in Cursor, ready to be used in the contexts it supports. If you installed more than one, repeat the same Add to Cursor action for each selection, giving each install a moment to complete before moving on. To recap, the keys to success here are thoughtful browsing and a clean, intentional install. Explore the gallery with your real tasks in mind, read the descriptions for clarity, and use Add to Cursor to bring the right servers into your environment quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the boost in productivity that comes from choosing the right MCP servers for your workflow.